गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट. चला तर आज आपण पाहूया फिजिक्सचे व्हिडिओ लेक्चर. चॅप्टर नंबर 10, मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड्स ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. याचा स्टडी आजच्या आपण लेक्चरमध्ये करणार आहोत. मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड्स ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. वेटेज ऑफ दिस चॅप्टर फॉर बोर्ड एक्झामिनेशन इज अबाउट 4 to 5 marks. Title of this chapter: Magnetic fields due to electric current indicates that when current passing through conductor, it produces magnetic field around it. म्हणजेच जर एखाद्या कंडक्टरमधून करंट पास होत असेल तर त्याच्या अराउंड मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस होतं. First, Hans Christian Ørsted discovered that the relationship between magnetic field and electric field. Later on, different scientists like Gauss, Henry, Faraday gives the relation between electric and magnetic field. There are several practical applications in day-to-day life. For example, electric motors, generators, computers, and communication system. Now, how these magnetic field are produced? Suppose, consider a current carrying conductor. This current carrying conductor held in our right hand. This current carrying conductor in upward direction held in our right hand, then this thumb of our hand indicates the direction of current and these curved fingers indicates the direction of magnetic field. This is called as a right hand thumb rule. The statement of this right hand thumb rule is: if a current carrying conductor is held in the right hand such that the thumb of the hand represents the motion of current flow, then the direction of curved fingers represent direction of magnetic field. This is the introductory part of this chapter. यानंतर आपण पाहूया मॅग्नेटिक फोर्स. Magnetic force. The definition of this magnetic force is: the force which is produced due to magnetic field is called magnetic force. मॅग्नेटिक फील्डमुळे जो फोर्स प्रोड्यूस होतो त्याला मॅग्नेटिक फोर्स असं म्हणतात. Consider a charge Q which is placed in a magnetic field and move with velocity v. Then which force act on the charge Q due to this magnetic field? Due to this magnetic field B, the magnetic force act on the charge Q. And the magnetic force act on the charge Q is Fm is equal to, it is denoted by Fm is equal to Q into bracket V cross of B. This is the cross product of V means velocity and B is the magnetic field and Q is the charge. Then the cross product of these two vectors is Fm is equal to QVB sin theta. This theta is the angle between velocity and magnetic field. Now there are two different cases. First is case first. If velocity of a charged particle is parallel to magnetic field, जिथे चार्ज पार्टिकलची व्हेलॉसिटी जर मॅग्नेटिक फील्डला पॅरलल असेल तर देन थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0. Therefore sin 0 is 0. Then field magnetic force is equal to qvb sin theta is equal to qvb sin theta is equal to 0. It is sin 0. qvb sin 0 is 0 into 0. It is your magnetic force is equal to 0. That means 0 magnetic field when the velocity of a charged particle is parallel to magnetic field. This is the first case. Then second case, if velocity of a charged particle is perpendicular to magnetic field, then the theta is equal to 90 degree. Then what is the value of sin 90? Is 1. Then magnetic force is equal to qvb sin 90 is equal to qvb. This is the expression for magnetic force, or we get the maximum magnetic force qvb. So this maximum magnetic force is produced when this magnetic force and velocity vector are perpendicular, and when these two vectors are perpendicular, then its dot product is equal to 0. It means that work done by magnetic force is 0. This magnetic force मुळे जे काही वर्क डन होतं ते किती असतं? 0 असतं. म्हणजेच काय की magnetic force may change the direction of motion of charged particle, but they can never affect the speed. म्हणजेच हा magnetic force काय करतो? This magnetic force change the direction of motion of charged particle. चार्ज पार्टिकलची डायरेक्शन चेंज करतो मोशनची, बट दे कॅन नेव्हर अफेक्ट द स्पीड. द स्पीडमध्ये चेंज होत नाही. नो, आत्ताच आपण इक्वेशन पाहिलंय मॅग्नेटिक फोर्सचं, एफ एम इज इक्वल टू क्यू व्ही बी. फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन वी गेट द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड. Magnetic field V is equal to, rearrange this equation, Fm divided by Qv. The unit of this magnetic field is, from this equation, the unit of force is Newton, unit of this charge is Coulomb, unit of velocity is meter per second, is equal to Newton second per Coulomb meter. This is the derived unit of this magnetic field from this expression. Now the SI unit of this magnetic field is Tesla, or it is denoted by capital T. Another unit is Gauss, and the relation between these two units is 1 Tesla is equal to 10 raised to 4 Gauss. Now, if we have to take the charge in external magnetic field B, suppose this charge is placed in magnetic field as well as electric field. जर हा चार्ज मॅग्नेटिक फील्डमध्ये ठेवला आणि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्डमध्ये जर ठेवला तर कोणता फोर्स ॲक्ट होईल? द फोर्स ॲक्ट्स ऑन चार्ज Q इज F is equal to Fm plus Fe. Fm means magnetic force act on the charge Q due to magnetic field, and Fe is the electric force act on the charge q due to electric field. आत्ताच आपण एक्सप्रेशन पाहिलं मॅग्नेटिक फोर्सचं. मॅग्नेटिक फोर्स एफ एम इज इक्वल टू क्यू इंटू व्ही क्रॉस ऑफ बी. अँड दिस इज द इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स. इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक चॅप्टरमध्ये याचं एक्सप्रेशन पाहिलेलं आहे पहा. एफ ई इज इक्वल टू क्यू इंटू ई. दिस क्यू इज द चार्ज, is the electric intensity. Therefore, total force is equal to Q into V cross of B plus QE. This force is called Lorentz force. The total force act on the charge Q is called as a Lorentz force. It means when electric and magnetic force simultaneously acts on charge Q, then the total force is called as a Lorentz force.